I want to make a quick review of this Mazda Miata, which actually I did, you might watch my other review of the plastic model airplane, but this is the first model I've purchased in over 20 years. In fact, I used to be more of an airplane guy, but this was $20 on Amazon, and it seemed kind of like a cool model to build with the kids. What I wanted to do, actually I don't have the glass glued in here, I just kind of have it in place. So what I wanted to say is this is actually, for 20 bucks, it's a pretty cool model. It's a little, the wheels spin, they turn. It's obviously a little tricky to get the wheels on and have them spin well, which is, so I have one wheel that doesn't really spin very well, but the others are fairly good. It's an easy to build model. There's some kind of finer parts around the steering. And, but overall, I do want to say, obviously, I did the most budget job. I pretty much just built it in one go. No painting, no kind of professional anything, just kind of for fun. And it was simple to build. I didn't really, the only really tricky part is getting the base into the entire plastic shell, which it's a little tricky, but it's not hard to do. One thing I noticed is there seems to be this kind of gap under the windshield. I don't know if you can see that, but there's this big gap, which is kind of why she didn't glue the windshield in place. It just seems to sit here fine. But it's just weird that there's like a gap there. And the bottom part for me clearly fits right in the spots it's supposed to, so there's no leeway for it moving anywhere else. And I guess that's really it. I just wanted to offer my 2 cents, so if someone who wanted to just see what this model actually looked like, how it was, this is it. It looks sweet, it looks nice, I like it. It would be even nicer if it got painted, obviously, but it's just a simple car model for 20 bucks. I'd say go for it. So yeah, and I do want to point out, it does actually have the glass, the hard top as well. I just decided to go with the soft top, that way it's kind of more fun to play with, and you can maybe put, I don't know, like a action figure or something inside it. So yeah, let me know if that helps.